Hello everybody. I am going to be talking about the market overview in this video, and quickly we're just going to go over the bonds, AGG. As you can see clearly, the bonds had a little trouble today, 40%, 40 cents down, volume at 146% with a large drop, closed at its low, and we can clearly see these bounce off the 85% line with the upward price power line. The high price power line also took a little curve. So Monday we're going to see if these can actually rally up and continue in the 85% zone, or if that's just going to be it for the bonds world. And in the Dow, we had a very large gap up, and Wednesday I said that the support line would be tested, and Thursday it definitely was. As you can clearly see with this bar, the low was below the support line, closed above the support line. Today gapped up, closed near its high. So it actually did not fall below the 85%. If you're following the exit strategy, when the power lines fall below the 85%, that is when you want to exit. So this one, you definitely stay in the Dow Jones currently at this point. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Qs. This is the NASDAQ. And the NASDAQ went up 99 cents today. Very nice. Nice trend line right here. Nice blue moving average trend line just going right up. Didn't even come close to the support line actually. And as you can see, it's not even close to this 85% line right here. So the Qs are still flowing nicely, very high. And let's take a look at the S&P 500. Again, this one, there's that invisible resistance line right here. Yesterday, we actually closed below it at $112.50. That resistance point and support line right now is at $113.25, I believe. So today it closed up near its high again for a $2.32 gain, volume 97%. And let's really quickly look at the Treasury. Treasury went up. Here's the Treasury bonds, 1 to 3 years. So today it went up 9 cents, and we're seeing that nice rebound right here. So what happened yesterday is actually in the S&P 500. I read that 930 some million, $100 million. So almost $1 billion got pulled out. So that was a big hit for the S&P 500. Today, I don't know what was put back in, but obviously the market went up, and it did very well. So here we are looking at the S&P 500 again. So that huge collapse right here Thursday made it so everybody could have good prices at that support line, buy back in. As we can see, technically right here it bounced off the 85% line right here, bounced off the support line up here. Then there's that trend line right there. So let's go ahead and take a look at gold, because gold is going up along with the market. Gold, we are at this very nice trend line in the 85% zone. Another 39-cent gain today for the Spider Trust. I like to use the Spider because it reacts very nicely to the market. So our blue moving average is now moving up very closely. I want to point out some of this in the AMC charting. So we're going to pull up the Dow and the AMC charting and look closely, as we can clearly see that using this, the AMC charting is still going up for the Dow. Yesterday we had a little soft spot at the yellow, a little turnaround, but today clearly went up. I'm going to pull the support lines off here. And the S&P 500, you can clearly see that we are bouncing right off this red moving average right there. So that $2.32 helped flatten it out again. So that's it for the market overview. If you have any questions, please email me. Any comments, Ryan@northoftheblue.com. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Thank you.